Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I'm really excited because I was just sent this 40-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. I've been looking to get one of these, so I really appreciate you guys for sending this because when I do a lot of woodworking, these things are going to come in so handy. This right here is the 40-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set, and this is really neat because it actually allows you to hook in any of these pieces here. You can actually simply pick out what type of bit you're looking for. Everything is magnetic, so it slides into place. You then have the ability to tighten, ratchet with this like this. This is going to add a lot of torque, being able to do that. But all of these pieces are magnetic, so you can actually, if you're wanting to unscrew something, pop that off, put it in the other side. If you're wanting a little more torque, you can pop this end off here, put it on this end, and now you have almost like a ratchet like you'd have in your garage, only it's going to use these screwdriver bits, which is really neat. Or you can actually put them all in line and actually use it like a traditional one, where you're doing it like this. So you've got a lot of versatility with this thing. I want to kind of show you a couple of options here. Like we've got a screw over here. I've got a regular Phillips head bit, which it comes with several of these. And by putting that down on there, you can actually turn this. You're not having to release it. You can easily push down like on that. Maybe I've got a torque style head here. We need to go ahead and reach over here and get one of our different style heads here. Go ahead and grab one of these guys. See if he fits in there. Oh, it's a star bit. Well, we have star bits too. So you got a star bit over here. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out. Easily magnets in place. Just like that. It's not going to fall out. Then when I come over here, get this thing going here. I mean, that's going to drive that down. And the nice part is this is going to work in so many tight areas. And it can work for so many versatile things. Like if you've got a home appliance or you've got an automotive part that's way down in that you can't get to with a traditional large size tool, this is really going to be helpful because you can easily go ahead and work on any little thing. It even has little precision bits, like little tiny precision bits in here that you can get in here. Maybe I want to loosen up a screw, so I'll flip this around so now I can loosen up, put it in this little screw here. If I can even see it, so small. I mean, it takes that right out of there, and it's magnetic. That's really cool. Loving the fact that the strong magnet allows you to do that. So this would make a great gift. If you've got somebody, a mechanic in your house, if you've got somebody that actually wants to be working on a lot of different projects, this is a really must-have tool for anybody's toolkit, and everything fits really nice in this. Nice gift box. Loving the fact that it's a hard case and everything stays there. Really nice product.